Meet Sarah, a marketing manager who maximized her employer benefits before year-end. She discovered $400 left in her flexible spending account, or FSA, which would be forfeited if unused. Sarah scheduled an eye exam, bought glasses, and stocked up on medical essentials, making the most of her pre-tax dollars. Next, Sarah reviewed her 401k contributions and realized she hadn't maxed out her employer's match. By increasing her contributions for the last 2 paychecks, she hit the annual IRS limit and received the full employer match, money she'd been missing out on all year. Sarah also noticed unused paid time off, or PTO, that would expire on December 31st. Instead of letting it go to waste, she planned a staycation, giving herself time to recharge while fully utilizing her benefits. Finally, Sarah updated her beneficiary designations on her retirement accounts and life insurance. After a divorce earlier in the year, she realized her ex-spouse was still listed. Updating the paperwork gave her peace of mind and ensured her wishes would be followed. Sarah's proactive approach saved money, reduced stress, and set her up for a better financial future. Her story is a reminder to review your own benefits. Check your FSA, maximize retirement contributions, plan your PTO, and update beneficiary designations. Small actions now can make a big difference for your finances and future.